Hello, class 10th students. Today we will discuss this chapter number 1, exercise number 1.3. This is a mathematics NCRT books are there. So we see this one question number 1 we want to do. Prove that root 5 is irrational. I will prove this one root 5 is irrational number is there. What I want to prove that this is a irrational number. Method we will use here the contradiction method. Contradiction method to prove this one. In this method, first we use the assume the things that is opposite and prove that these things are wrong. Assume root 5 is a rational number. So we are assuming the opposite things and we want to prove this is the assumption is not right. Assume we are assuming this root 5 number is a rational number. Okay. If this is a rational number, so it can be expressed as a, since it's being a rational number, it can be expressed as a ratio of two integers a and b, where a and b are co-prime. They are co-prime means nothing is common in a and b and both are integer, and where a and b say b are co-prime. Now a and b are co-primes. Now we see that we can write down this number like, see this one, root 5 into b equal to a. Taking square both the sides. You take taking square both side. What you are getting? 5b square equal to a square. So it means the a square, 5b square equal to a square, implies that 5 divides a square, because naturally the 5 must be a prime factor of the a square. So 5 divides a square. Since 5 divides a square and 5 is a prime factor, implies that 5 also divides a. 5 also divides a. Okay. 5 also divides a means a can be written as in terms of 5 times k. We say it means a can be represented as a equal to 5 times k, where k is integer. K is integer, any integer. Okay. So a equal to 5 times k. Now we put the value of a equal to 5k in this equation number, you see 1. So what we are getting? 5b square equal to 5k whole square. Simplify this one, you are getting here this, we can say 5b square equal to 25k square. So b square can be written as 5k square. So b square equal to 5k square, it means what? Uh, it means 5 divides b square, implies that 5 also divides b. So 5 is a prime factor of b, implies that 5 is a factor of b. So here the thing is that the 5 divides both a and b. This is against, this is against or assumption that a and b are co-prime. Therefore, assumption is wrong. So therefore, assumption is wrong. So root 5 is not the is the rational number. Root 5 is root 5 is not rational number. Root 5 is irrational number. So it is a proof of this question. I hope you understand the question very well. Thank you.